Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to show you how to auto-tune your channels off of an antenna on a Samsung television. For this one we're using the Mohu Curve 30 antenna, and the TV we've got here is the RU7100 series, again from Samsung. So right now we're on the YouTube app for this particular Samsung TV. So what you're going to want to do if you're not already on the TV input is hit the home button, and then you're going to go to your left to the source option, and then you're going to go up and just make sure you click on Samsung TV Plus. That's going to bring you to your TV. So from here we're going to be able to do the tuning. So now once we're in on this screen, we're going to hit the home button again, and then again we're going to go over to our left all the way to settings, and then hit the enter button, the center of the directional pad. Now we've got this menu up, and we're going to go down to broadcasting, and then if you hit the right arrow, it's going to bring you over to auto program. Now once you have auto program highlighted, you're going to hit the center button again of the directional pad, and that's going to give you the option to auto program. So we're going to start, so we're going to hit the enter button again, and then we want to choose for this, because we're using an antenna, we're going to choose air, and then enter. And this is going to run through all of the available channels that the antenna is picking up. So you'll see as it goes along, once it detects a channel, it's going to show a little number next to DTV air. So far we haven't caught any channels yet. We're in a room inside of our building, so it may not pick up any channels, although there's four of them that just showed up. So we are picking up some. In your home, you're probably going to pick up far more channels than we're getting here in our store. So it's going to run through this whole process. It does take a few minutes, so you do have to be patient with it. And we're going to go ahead and stop, because we've picked up some channels to demonstrate what this is going to do. So we're going to stop. You'll let it continue to scan the entire way through at home. And then do we want to stop scanning? Yes, we do. You, though, at home are going to let it scan all the way through. So then we're going to close, and it found several channels. So now, when we go back, we're going to have local channels that we can go through. And now you can just hit your channel up and down button, and it's going to scroll through all of the channels that the scan just picked up. You'll see on the right-hand side there 9.1, 9.2, 3, 4. So there's lots of channels now that you can watch, and this is all free programming, and it's good to do this every once in a while because TV stations are constantly adding new digital channels. So you want to do this rescan every few months to make sure you're taking advantage of all the free content that's out there for you to watch. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned because we'll have more videos coming up.